Hello guys, this is Shubham Sangam. I'm a sound engineer and producer at Dynamic Studios Bangalore. I do heavy vocals for my metal band Amidst the Abyss. This is my first YouTube channel guys, and my main intention of starting this channel is to make you understand the way of producing the song or track in better way. As in, I'm not telling you to program it or change it in different way and make it sound different apart from what you want. No, in this channel what we are going to teach you is the way of miking your instrument in best possible way to get the body of the sound as well the crisp treble of the sound, recording those instruments with correct gain to get perfect dynamics but not to clip it so that it doesn't get distorted. If your track is distorted, then it will sound different, not different, but it will sound harsh to the ears, and it's not musical enough. Editing them for flawless transitions, mixing those tracks for the perfect balance of the instruments with respect to loudness and with respect to frequency balance as well. Apart from that, we have a dedicated team which will show you their own tracks, their own productions, how they have done it and how they have progressed it in better way, which will be metal, EDM, funk, hip hop, pop, rock or folk and many other genres. You will also get to see sound designing, uniquely synthesized sound which will make you stand out of the crowd and which will make you unique, being an artist or being a filmmaker. If you are interested into film audio production, you will learn to make Foley for the perfect sync by recording it live, or you can use sound libraries which will make your work easy and save time. Designing sound for the film is also a part of this channel, which will show you the way of making your voice as a robot or making your balloon sound to sound something else. This channel will also showcase new talent who is really skilled and who knows their stuff. If you want to be a part of our journey while learning new things and skills, please do follow our channel and subscribe for the new video updates.